Ready to rock and roll, baby. Newport traffic, Archer 33121, departure 22 Newport.
Newport traffic, girl 160, crossing 164 on the ground. Newport.
JetBlue 1287, roger, contact approach 125.75, safe flight.
2575, JetBlue 1287, connect.
Commander 4247, trap pass underneath you, has in sight.
Alright, traffic inside, baby blue looks good.
Nice.
Number 393, your vector is correct.
Sorry, I stopped on you. Repeat again, 393?
Number 393, turn right heading 240 to intercept.
Turn righting 2402, intercept 393.
Commander 4247, descend to maintain 2100.
2.1, Commander 4247.
Cherokee 393, pass approach approved, maintain VFR, no separation, service provided.
August approach approved, no separation provided, maintain VFR 393.
Number 393, what's your request after this approach?
We'd like to do a touch and go and then request a practice approach at New Haven Hotel, Victor November 393.
Number 393, roger, after completion approach, maintain VFR, and you can contact, what's your approach? Correction, Bradley approach on 123.905 for further flight following.
123.905 for further following, 393.
Providence departure, good afternoon, Archer 33121, Newport Bridge, 2.3, climbing 4.5, Hotel Foxtrot Delta, please.
Number 33121, Providence approach, Providence altimeter is 3017, stand by for your squawk.
3017, copy that.
Providence approach, Moxie 713, direct the field at leveling at 5,000.
Moxie 713, Providence approach, Providence altimeter is 3017, you can expect the visual approach 23.
3017, visual 23, Moxie 713.
Number 121, squawk 5347.
5347, Archer 121.
For at 2,400.
Career type 444, Providence approach, Providence altimeter is 3017.
Altimeter 3017, career check 444.
Number 121, your radar contact 3 miles southwest of Newport, and you said you're climbing up to 4,500.
Copy that, 4.5, Hotel Foxtrot Delta.
Number 121, there is traffic at your 10 o'clock, 5 miles turning northeastbound is Breeze Airline at 5,000.
Negative contact, looking 121.
Moxie 713, turn right heading 040. There will be Skyhawk traffic at your 2 o'clock, 5 miles northwestbound, 3,300, climbing to 4,500.
Heading 040, we're looking for the traffic, Moxie 713.
Care 410, contact approach 119.45.
That was
410, contact approach 119.45.
1945, San Francisco.